Amani Channel, this is Video Fearless, where we build video muscle. What's up? In this video, the question is to edit or not to edit, because a lot of you out there, I'm assuming that you think that you have to edit your videos to create videos, and actually you don't have to edit very much, though some general editing would be good to know and understand, but honestly, you don't have to edit at all. First of all, because you can use a service like Facebook Live or Instagram Live, where you can just, or Instagram Stories, where you just kind of record life as it happens, or record yourself as you are and just talk to the lens and record a video if you're going live, for example, and you don't have to do any editing. You just hit start and stop and boom, the video is posted. Now the drawback to that is if you make a significant error, or if you stumble significantly, or have what I call a brain fart, where you forget what you're gonna say through their video, and what to edit or not to edit, or you just get off track, you get off on a tangent, you can't go back into a take two necessarily if you're live. Like, that's sort of the thrill of live, is that anything can and will happen, because it will. All right, but that's a way you can avoid editing, is to just go live. The second thing I suggest you do is learn how to get through your messaging in just one take. And what I mean by one take is, in one take you can go from beginning to end of your message without having to stop, without having to start from the beginning or pick up in the middle somewhere. Because anytime you pick up or you stop and you have to start over again, that's a place where you're gonna have to edit the video to make sure that it's seamless, or to put the thoughts together. All right, but to avoid that, if you do it in one take, at most you have to trim just the beginning and the end of the video, and then after that you're good to go. Like, you don't have to do necessarily any graphics unless you want to, any branding unless you want to. That's a whole nother conversation, but that's basically what I suggest, that you do it in one take. That's what I do for, I say, 8 out of 10 of my videos. Sometimes I like to do like multi-camera edits, or edit B-roll on top, or whatever, but you don't have to do that, especially if you're getting started. Just record your message from beginning to end in one take. It's just gonna take some practice. It's gonna take a lot. It might take a little bit, it might take a lot. It probably will take a little bit of practice, if nothing else, but you can do it. And if you need some additional help, I suggest that you go to my closed group. It's the Video Confidence Accelerator. There's a link above or below, somewhere around this video. Make sure you click that link. You might have to answer a couple questions, but if you're serious about making videos, I'm serious about helping you. Amani Channel, get video fearless. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.